Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Samsung account keeps stopping problem or Samsung account keeps crashing problem. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. So to fix the problem, here follow the steps. First of all, open settings, scroll down, tap on apps, then tap on search and search for Samsung account and tap on it. Then click on force stop and then click on OK to confirm. Then scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear cache, go back, then click on permissions and then allow the required permission for this available option such as camera, allow only while using the app, contacts, click on allow, location, click on allow only while using the app, nearby devices, click on allow. Then open the store app, tap on search and search for Samsung account and tap on it. Now if you find any update available for this Samsung account app, then click on update and wait for the update to get complete. Just wait for it to install. And once you updated your Samsung account app, then you can check Samsung account keeps stopping problem has been fixed or not, or Samsung account keep crashing problem has been solved or not. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.